In this video, we're gonna take a look at MIDI instruments and audio effects. You can load a new instrument by navigating to the channel rack. Then press the plus at the bottom and select your preferred instrument. To scroll through the instrument's presets, click on the triangle in the top left corner of your instrument window and select Preset. You can open and close an instrument window by clicking on the instrument's name in the channel rack. Please note that a newly created MIDI instrument is not yet linked with the mixer. To do this, go to the channel rack, click on the box next to the instrument's name and select the preferred mixer channel by dragging your mouse up or down. Now, let's have a look at the audio effects. To load an audio effect, go to the mixer window and select the channel you want to load an audio effect on. On the right side, you see empty slots. Click on the first slot to open the list of available audio effects. Now you can select your preferred audio effect. If you want to use a preset, you can do so by clicking on the triangle in the top left corner of your audio effect window and select Preset. You can open and close the audio effect window by clicking on the audio effect's name in the mixer window. Please note that when you insert an audio effect on an instrument track, it always comes after the instrument. This means that the instrument's output will go through the audio effect first before being sent to the track's selected output. When having multiple audio effects inserted on a track, you can easily rearrange their order by clicking on the triangle next to the name and select Move Up or Move Down. To remove an instrument or audio effect from a track, again, click on the triangle next to its name and select Delete. Now you have learned how to load instruments, audio effects and their presets.